go get it.
That's a cool bill. Hey. This is the one, the only infamous Daryl Ware with Phat Betty, which you've already seen in this video.
Yeah.
This is, we're not going to say about Daryl. I can suck mine in more than you can suck yours.
Stand in front of it with each other for a pose.
Come from the front.
Yeah.
Back. Big blower.
There's a black because the wheels are set in so much that it
Go up.
I know. It's a hand crank.